Hello, it's Annabelle here, also known as AB Animation Limited, and welcome to my game. This is a game that I have made. It is a game that I have been making. It's an applet written in Java. It's basically a kind of spaceship, kind of arcade game. I'm going to show you some of the features that I've put in. So basically, press F3 to bring up a bit of a debug screen that I made. I've called this game for now Spaceship Game Test 0.0.3. So it's kind of a pre-release, kind of version, not yet in alpha or anything. It's kind of just a test thing. I mean, it's not like an official. I don't really know if it's going to be an official kind of game that's going to be released or available for downloads. I don't even know how to change this from a load of code into an actual program. I'm just running this through Eclipse, which of course I programmed this in. So basically, this game involves a spaceship, the grey object that I'm controlling with the W, A, S and D keys, which moves around. And the idea is to, well, there isn't really a goal in it yet. It's only really got these two features, spaceship and these moving asteroids, which you can see move across to the left of the screen. As you can see some of the information on my debug screen there. I've got my X and Y, and I think you can see the cursor, but X0 and Y0 are in the top left, which is not quite how you'd expect it to work, but that's just how it is. So obviously, as you can see, when I go up towards there, they get close to 0. And the radius of the ship is 25. I made it a circle because I only really know how to make accurate collisions with circles. I'm not really saying I'm the best game developer ever, and I'm going to be honest. When it comes to collisions and physics, I don't exactly find it easy. So it took me a while to get these collisions to work, and can still be a bit off a little bit. But as you can see, dx, dy is kind of like my speed across the screen. So x goes to minus when I go left, and it goes to positive. I go to the right. When I go up and down, that changes for y. I also have a health value, as you can see. In fact, I'll just highlight these here. Health value. That's basically a number that starts at 100, and let's collide with an object. As you can see, I kind of bounce off it, and it reduces the health value. So now it's gone from 100 all the way down to 38. Now the idea is, in the future, will be that when you hit an asteroid, it reduces your health. If your health gets to 0, your ship basically explodes, and that's going to be like a game over, basically. I haven't coded any of that yet. I mean, I've been busy lately with other stuff, like the crafters, so I haven't had much time to code this recently, the last couple of weeks. But as you can see, these two values here, throttle and speed, these are currently they're kind of unused. I'm halfway through implementing a system where you have like throttle, and when you increase it, increases your speed. But to be honest, I'm not quite sure if I'm going to keep that system, because it doesn't quite fit into this kind of style of game. It doesn't, I just don't think it would work. I probably would have to kind of remake the whole game. If I was going to have like a throttle thing, I would probably make it kind of like 3-dimensional. I have no idea how you make 3-dimensional games. I would have to figure out how like OpenGL works, I'd say, or something like that first, or the Java lightweight gaming library or something like that. I don't know how any of that stuff works. I've literally just coded this right into Eclipse with nothing important apart from Applet and all its various features. So also this asteroid number here is basically just saying the number of positions in the asteroid array that is set up. And then just down here I've put in a bit of a changelog. I don't have a menu yet. I do want one, and I'll have like a separate like tab for a changelog. But basically, as you can see, I had a spaceship in the asteroid first. I remember at the start, it was just grey circle, a black circle. The grey circle could move, the black circle didn't, and you could just bounce off the black circle. Then I made the black circle move, I added more than one black circle, and then I gave everything like textures, so it looks like spaceships and asteroids. Textures are one of the most recent changes, so that's pretty much all there is to it. The textures for the background, there's 4 textures in this game at the moment. Spaceship texture, which you can see here, the asteroid texture, the background texture, which is like the space scene with the asteroids, and I'm going to collide. You may be able to tell when I collide with something. You can see like kind of like collision particles, kind of like sparks almost. I mean, they're not brilliant, but you know, it's kind of my first attempt at this kind of thing. So, by the way, if my health hits 0, it resets back to 100 because there's no way of dying yet. Basically, that reset to 100 stops it from going into like negative 1000 if I keep playing for long enough. So yeah, this is the game so far. Like I say, there's not much to it yet, but I don't know, I'm kind of making this up as I go along, and I'll see how far this goes. And if I learn any more advanced techniques with Java programming and game development in general, I may make a new game, or just completely rewrite this one, because I like the idea of this game. Flying through space and avoiding asteroids. It's a fairly simple concept, but it works fairly well, and I'm planning to add other features as well. I mean, depending on how much effort I put into this, how much time I have, I could potentially create planets, other spaceships, lasers. I am planning to have like these here are just kind of like stand-ins for laser guns, and maybe you can shoot the asteroids to destroy them. That's an idea I've had. But yeah, that's the game. I mean, you may notice that the collisions can be a little bit off at times. I mean, if I like trap myself in the corner with the asteroid coming here, it will basically just glitch out. So I don't want to do that. But yeah, that's the game itself. Now what I'm going to do is show some of the Java code behind this game, and also I'm planning on starting tutorials so that you guys hopefully find out, or at least understand some of the code that goes into this and make basic programs yourself. So for now, thanks for watching. If you like this video, well, I'd really appreciate it. Subscribe for more, and don't forget to leave feedback in the comments. That's all from me. Bye bye.